How you guys feeling?
Good.
Oh, awesome. All right. Where you guys calling from, by the way? I can see the
Oh,
behind.
we're in Kawa.
Oh, true.
Auckland, yeah.
We'll just jump straight into it. So, tell us about your creative process during your Tautai Fellowship residency.
It's been quite busy actually. I've got the creative process is like I've got kids and I've got dogs as well. So when you get in the zone while they're at school, we can really get in the zone and do it. But when they're home, it's been a challenge. But we've managed to be okay with it because you just have to be like that. You just have to be able to do it when you got the kids around. But it's been a good creative process for us, eh? Like,
It's really good
just
to
experimenting.
be work together.
Yeah, definitely.
One coming in start and the other do the other thing and coming in continue to their work.
How does it feel to be showcasing your work or your creative process from home?
I mean, it's a process. It's just something we have to do at the moment due to the whole effect of COVID-19. Yeah, just doing it at home. It's just been really good. It's been a great opportunity, and we are really grateful that Tautai gave us that opportunity with this, with this Fale-Ship. It's been great.
Oh,
Yeah, it's been good, and to also be able to work alongside Mum. Again, and see what we can produce and create. Yeah.
So when your fellowship residency is eventually launched online, what would you like people to take away from that?
What do you want? She's always tapping me on the left, saying, "You go, you start." Family really is important, and those connections we have with one another is really important. And I think it also helps me just makes me realize that creating the art is really important, and we need to do more of it because it shares. Like what the arts do is it shares moments in time, like what we paint is like this work we've done during the residency is all about like this time now, that's what it symbolizes as well.
How important is it to showcase the lived experiences of Moana artists, such as yourselves?
How important is it?
Yeah.
I think it's really important. Yeah. We've got a lot of stories to pass down, a lot of stories that we've been told from our elders, ancestors, and these stories need to be shared and told so they're not lost. Yeah. We just want to thank Tautai and the team, the team, Courtney, Danny, everyone there, we just think are amazing. I just think Tautai's next level. It's been taken to another level. And I think that's really important for us. They're representing us hard. And I'm just really grateful we've got like leaders and an organisation like this representing us, and pushing us all out there.
We thank you, for all the opportunities given to us.